Installing the helmet-mounted light on your fire helmet is quick and simple. The design of the mount allows the light to be attached on the left or right side of either an upswept or downswept brim. The mount can rotate 360 degrees and has a very wide range of movement up and down, both during installation and after. Once you've determined the best location along the brim, loosen the thumb screw and slide the mount over the banding on the brim, making sure that the mount is fully seated onto the brim. Having the light fully seated will help to eliminate any movement that might cause the mount to loosen up. Now, using a flathead screwdriver, simply tighten the thumb screw until it's completely tight. The rubber boot on the thumb screw prevents any damage to the brim, so don't be afraid to get it really tight. As I mentioned a minute ago, the mount is designed so that the user can adjust the position of the light right or left and even up or down in order to place the light exactly where it's needed without any risk of the hardware loosening up. You can even alternate between having the light above or below the brim based on your preferences or other gear that you might be attached to your helmet. That's it. You're ready to go. Just be sure to periodically check the thumb screw for tightness. If you have any questions or if we could be of any assistance, please contact our customer service department by calling 800-233-2155. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.